Welcome to Food Friday. Today we are making the creamy vanilla matcha smoothie from the KSL app. Check my link in my bio if you would like a discount. It's a great healthy lifestyle app. So I am starting with the milk. I'm using coconut milk. I like to start with the liquid first because especially high grade matcha, you don't want to lose it and it gets stuck to the sides very easily. So when you put the matcha in after, it kind of sits on top of the liquid. Then you're going to want to do your half a banana. I would actually recommend maybe doing a little more, or maybe my banana just wasn't very sweet. Add in your vanilla, add in your maple syrup, and your raw almond butter, or whatever nut butter you want actually. You can definitely make this completely your own. I'm doing it to the recipe. And then I'm also using the coconut yogurt. I like that this is dairy free. I am kind of sensitive to dairy products. So if you are as well, I would follow this recipe. And then top it up with ice cubes, put the lid on, make sure it's tight, and then you're going to want to blend it up. And you're going to want to make sure you have a smooth consistency. And during the blending process, you're going to want to shake it to make sure you get as much of that matcha off the sides of the blender as you can. Even though we added it after the milk, it still needed a little bit of a shake. Now that it's done, you pick a nice cup. I'm actually doing a teacup because matcha kind of reminds me of tea, even though this is a cold version. And then you're going to want to garnish it. I wanted a contrasting color. In the recipe, you can see it says to garnish with matcha or coconut flakes. You can also do like cocoa powder or cacao nibs. Honestly, whatever you like best. I decided to go with the coconut flakes because I had them, and the white against the green was a really nice contrast. And there you have it, a very healthy, beautiful, and energizing smoothie. And let me tell you, it was not as sweet as I thought it would be, so that's why I said add extra banana. I actually ended up making this again, and I added coffee to it. So you can make whatever recipe you guys want. It's so much fun and be creative. Cheers, guys.